Philippines. Sotto ordered to answer Supreme Court indirect contempt charges. Manila, Philippines, February 13, 2026. The Supreme Court of the Philippines has advanced indirect contempt proceedings against former Senate President Vicente Sotto III, issuing a formal show cause order demanding an explanation for his alleged disregard of a specific judicial directive. The resolution, finalized during the court's February 11th en banc session but officially released today, puts Sotto at direct legal odds with the highest tribunal, significantly escalating a pre-existing constitutional dispute. Sources within the court confirmed that the indirect contempt charge stems from Sotto's actions following a November 2025 Temporary Restraining Order, TRO, issued by the court. The TRO was related to the controversial implementation of Placeholder, name a high-profile government policy or executive order, a measure Sotto publicly criticized and allegedly continued to defy in his capacity as placeholder, political role, e.g. senior advisor, legislative consultant. The show cause order directs Sotto to submit a verified response within a non-extendable period of 10 working days, detailing why he should not be cited for undermining judicial authority and frustrating the execution of a lawful court mandate. Failure to respond or provide a satisfactory defense could result in immediate penalties, including fines or, in extreme cases, detention. The primary point of contention, according to documents reviewed by this agency, is Sotto's public statement on January 29th, where he allegedly characterized the Supreme Court's ruling as legally flawed and jurisdictionally overreaching, effectively counseling continued resistance to the enjoined government program. Legal experts view the court's move as a definitive assertion of its constitutional power, particularly regarding high-profile political figures. Attorney Clara Reyes, a Manila-based constitutional law professor, stated that while the phrase contempt of court is broad, indirect contempt requires proof of willful disrespect or deliberate obstruction carried out outside the presence of the court itself. A representative for Sotto, speaking off the record, maintained that the former lawmaker acted within his rights as a private citizen and political commentator, arguing that the contempt proceedings constitute a dangerous chilling effect on legitimate public discourse and the right to criticize government institutions, including the judiciary. The political implications of the charge are substantial, particularly as the Philippines approaches the 2028 national election cycle. Sotto, a highly influential veteran politician, faces the immediate risk of a formal judicial ruling that could carry significant reputational damage. The Supreme Court has scheduled a preliminary hearing on the matter for the first week of March 2026. End.